Assalamu alaikum. Alhamdulillah, finally, after 14 months of this killing and this destruction, Alhamdulillah, the truth comes into these children and these Palestinian families here in Khan Yunus. After the massacres and the destruction of Israeli occupation in this war, Al Khidmat Foundation Pakistan doesn't leave these children alone and these Palestinians alone. They want to share all of the happiness moments in these days. Alhamdulillah, we bought some sweet to distribute about these camps and to these families. Thank you so much to Al Khidmat Foundation Pakistan and the donors of Al Khidmat Foundation Pakistan. And we will rebuild Gaza again, inshallah, with your hands. Thank you so much.